Are you searching for the best survival gear and gadgets available on Amazon of 2020? I will show you the new products and their advantages. They are the best survival and outdoor gear and gadgets available on Amazon we found so far. Survival Kit 12-in-1. Works excellent survival tool. Cold steel tactical knife for cutting. Survival bracelet is equipped with mini fire starter and compass. 3 modes tactical flashlight for bringing enough light. Thermal blanket for retain 90% of body heat. Tactical pen for emergency situations shatter glass. Dual tube whistle for attracting attention by producing volume up to 140 dB. Wire saw for cutting wood. This product contour artistic, works excellent, the ease of operation. Survival Survival Kit, upgraded 14-in-1. New upgrade Survival Kit, 14-in-1 professional emergency survival kits. Containing multi-use survival bracelet. Upgraded survival knife. 7-in-1 spoon fork. Multi-use fire starter. Fire bellows, flashlight, glass breaker, 11-in-1 credit card size multi-tool, wire saw, water bottle clip, emergency blanket, carabiner, waterproof survival storage box, instruction manual. Buy with confidence. If you have questions or concerns about the product, please contact us at any time, we will provide you with the best solution. Life Tent Emergency Survival Shelter. Keeps you dry, warm and alive in extreme conditions. The Life Tent is a waterproof and windproof 2-person tube tent constructed from extra-thick tear and puncture-resistant polyethylene material that locks out rain, wind, and snow. Engineered to be your layer of protection against harsh weather, the interior reflects up to 90% of your body heat, keeping you warm, dry, and protected from the elements.